Yes, Rahul.
Okay, Magesh. So which screen you are seeing currently?
GDB online debugger.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, so today's class will be a short since yesterday we spoke about inheritance, and today we will speak about one important problem called a diamond problem. Okay, this is a famous one which in many C++ interviews you will be coming across this problem actually. So before that, I will show you the diagram. So could you see my screen?
Yes, Rahul.
Okay. Makesh, I want you to tell me a class flow by seeing this diamond flow graph. I mean, a flow diagram of a class. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sure.
So let me keep this side by. Yeah. Can you tell me to draw a class? I mean, to write a class for this?
First will be the class person.
Okay. All right.
So after that, we need a new class student, which is a public derivative person.
Okay.
And
All right.
we have one more class employee, which is the same public person parent class.
Okay.
So next, the class diamond will come.
Okay.
Scope resolution that scope.
Okay.
And then the public person, public student, comma public employee.
Public student, comma.
Public employee.
That's correct. Yeah. Okay, so let me do one thing. We create a constructor here just to revise the previous one. Okay. Let's have a constructor and see out student, something like that, and copy paste those things. Then changing it to a person. This is student. This is employee. And this is a diamond. Okay, here I'm going to create an object for the diamond. OBJ. Now, can you tell me the order of constructor gets called? By saying this. Hey Magesh, are you speaking?
Sorry, I was in mute.
Yeah.
So as per the flow, it should be when we call the diamond, it would be the person. Then
okay.
Then the student.
All right.
And again, here comes the problem. It will go for again the person and the employee. And last,
first it goes for student. Yeah. Tell from here. Yeah.
First it will check for student. Student is like student's parent is person. So it will go for person and it will call the person, and then it will come to the student.
Okay.
So once this is completed, it will go for employee, and here it will again check for the person. So here there will be the error coming. So it won't print anything.
Why?
But because already the person is being called from student side, right? So the compiler won't be understanding which person again it should call.
Not exactly. So do you want me to run?
Yeah, sure, you run it.
Okay.
So it will cause an ambiguity.
See out, right?
Using namespace. Space actually.
Okay. Let me put a slash in.
Okay. Okay, for constructor it will call directly only. For the functions, it will cause error.
That's right. So there is no issue with the diamond problem with constructor one.
Yes, yes. When we are having the class members or member functions, it will cause an issue.
Exactly. So there is no issue with the diamond problem here.
Yeah.
So when it comes means only when you have a function. So let's say that
we have a display function.
Yeah, the same one, display. Inside it, we have a cout. Okay, so I'm going to copy paste these things into the respective classes. The same thing. So I'm just renaming it diamond employee and student. So here, using a diamond object, I'm going to call a display function. So what do you think it will do?
It will call the diamond display.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, so as okay, I'm seeing some token here as semicolon. Yeah, so as expected, it should display the domain. Okay, some spelling mistake. Sorry.
Again, the spelling mistake display play. Yeah.
Okay. It's correct, right? So as expected, we are calling a display of diamond since the object is for a diamond class, right? As we see yesterday. So what if, let's say I am removing a display from here. I'm just commenting it out from here.
Now it will give an error. Even if you keep that also, it will give error. Because
right.
Compiler won't understand which display it has to take.
That's right. So so generally we will have only one display or multiple one as you wish. So for example, one, right? Since the peoples are not in the call, so for them, so let's say we have only one display. All right. So as you told, right? If you try to call this object, right? It don't know whether, since this diamond is inheriting the student as well as employee, right? So the student is inheriting a person, and this also inheriting a person, right? So this both having a display function inside it, since it is inheriting a person class, right? So, so the problem is, like, if you call the display, it don't know whether it needs to call a student's a display one, or the employee's inherited person's display. So that's where the ambiguity, as you told, it won't allow us to compile, I guess. Yeah, the ambiguous, because it don't know which one to call.
Yes.
So this is a problem of this is called a diamond problem. This is not only in C++. Actually, this is also from a Java. So I think I'm not sure about the Java programming, but I know that there is a diamond problem with Java class inheritance thing. But that's why I think Java avoids this multiple inheritance. This is a kind of multiple inheritance, right? This is not a multi-level, this is a multiple.
Yes.
I think due for this reason, a Java is not allowing to do this. So by anyway, a C++ allowed it, but to avoid this, we have one syntax. Actually, that syntax I want you to understand and come back by next class, Magesh.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I just want to know how to solve it.
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Okay, and that will be our next class. And till now, I think we should end it here because if we go further, then the peoples from the other peoples, it's hard for us to follow.
Yes.
Right. So we stop here. Maybe once they are back, right, then we will continue with a runtime polymorphism.
Yes, sure.
Okay. So, do you have anything to ask, Makesh?
Yeah. Actually, can you repeat that operator overloading once again? Actually, I didn't practice that, so I was little confused again.
Yeah, sure.
So yesterday when I opened to recheck, I was little confused again. So.
All right, sure.
Yeah.
So we see that now.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So, but the core concept you understand, right?
Yeah, core concept I remember why overloading is required for operation and everything I remember, but the syntaxes I'm little getting confused why we are using those and all.
All right. Okay. So let's have one class. Called operator overloading. Oh, sure.
You completely change the context.
Yeah. I understand, Magesh. You can use that name if you like to.
Anyhow, we need that later.
Later, yeah. So let's say we have one variable called int data. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an object for this class called obj1. Okay. And let's have one constructor for this. Okay. Inside it, I am going to initialize my data. Okay. Let me have one parameter to initialize this data. Okay. Whatever we pass into the constructor, it will initialize the data.
Yes.
Okay. Let's say we have an int, what to say, a, something like that. And the a will be goes to data. Okay. So now what we are going to do is, let me have one more constructor, a default constructor. Let me have one cout, or okay, empty1, or you know the syntax, right? And
yes.
The default one. The another syntax for default constructor is this.
Yes.
So now I have created an object, and I'm going to pass, let's say 100. Okay. And I'm going to create another object here called object2, and I'm going to pass 50. Okay. So what I want to do is, right, if I try to add obj1 plus obj2, right?
Yes.
Do you think the compiler will understand in this syntax?
No, it won't, since those are class objects.
Exactly. If both are a variable like a plus b, then compiler understands, okay, this both are a variable, then I have to add it. Everything goes fine. But if the compiler sees obj1, obj is a class, obj2 is a class. So as you told, it never understands how to add two classes together. Yes. Okay, but we only know we don't want to add a two class together, but we indirectly want a data inside the both objects should be added together. Yes. Right? We don't need to add an entire class plus class. No, it doesn't make sense. What we mean by this is we just want
adding two instances.
Yeah, two instance data.
Yes.
Not a class itself. That we as a human we know, but compiler don't know that. So we have to specifically tell compiler, hey compiler, I mean object1 plus object2 doesn't mean that you have to add two classes. I want you to add data members of the class. Okay, not the class itself. That you want to convey this to the compiler. So how do you do it? By using operator overloading. So you will use this syntax called, do you remember the syntax?
No, actually.
Okay, so first we have to give a return type. Operator overloading is just a function.
Yes, so the same class type we are taking.
As a return, yeah, return type, then?
Like a template class, we take this.
Yeah, like operator. Which operator we have overload? We have to overload plus operator.
Plus operator.
Right? Then in syntax, in parameter, if you remember, the object1 will be calling this overload. Object2 will be passed into this parameter, right?
Yes.
So what is type of object2?
Again, operator overload.
Okay, so the parameter should be of same type, right?
Yes, and it should be const for our security.
That's a very good point. It should be a const because while adding, the user should not modify this data.
Yes.
Okay, fonts, that's a good one. And we will give some name like obj, something like obj3, let's call it as.
Okay.
Okay, then we are opening and closing braces. Inside it, we are going to add it. We are going to write the logic for that. How we will add it? Object 3 always already contain object 2, right?
Yes.
So let me create one more a variable here called overload obj4. Okay, so what I'm going to do, obj4 dot data, we are going to initialize with addition of 2. So
Yes.
first I've read the syntax, data plus
Yes.
obj3 dot data. So do you understand why I have written data here?
Because 2 is default and this is at this point, it will with the help of this pointer it will take data from our obj2.
obj2 or obj1?
2.
2 is already passed to obj3, right?
Okay. Then it is 1. I forgot this.
Yeah. So the data means it's pointing to obj1.
1. And 3 is obj data 2.
Yeah, just a variable name. Let's check the obj2 only. You
Yes.
don't get confused.
Yes.
We make obj2 only.
Yeah.
So the obj2 is a copy of 150.
Yes.
So right now this has data 150. And this
Okay.
data has
100.
Exactly. And what we are storing into the new data, I mean the new object called obj4.
Okay.
Right? It is not possible to do like this, right? It again gives some error.
Yes.
Right? So we have to specifically tell I want to add 2 data and store it into a data of this new one.
Yes, data of obj4.
obj4, right? Okay. So after doing that, now I have initialized a new data. I have added a new data and stored it into a new object. Now I have to return it, right? Since
Yes.
okay, I am going to return
obj4.
So if I return, I need someone to catch it, right?
Yes.
So for that, what I'm going to do, obj4. So the returned obj4 will be stored into obj, let's say 5.
Okay.
It's as I told, it's less the syntax like in C equal to A plus B.
Okay.
It's just actually.
Okay, understood.
Right. Instead of int, we have a class type.
Yes.
This is a class.
And instead of C variable, we have object file, and A will be obj1, B will be obj2.
Exactly. Instead of variables, we have objects.
Okay.
Everything is same. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to see out. And see out obj5 dot data.
Okay.
So yeah, so we are expecting it to print 100 plus 150.
Okay, is it okay if we do the cout inside the overload?
Yeah, you can still do it. Yeah, of course.
Cout obj4 also the same, right?
Yeah, the same thing. Yeah, we don't have to return it. You just have to print it there only.
Yes.
Yeah, both are same.
Okay, understood.
Yeah, so obj4 dot data /n. Expected before
semicolon is not there.
Okay. Yeah, so this is returning XX along with that, and this is the printout from below one.
Yes, understood, Rahul.
Yeah, so if you want to change operator overloading, right? If you give minus, then you have to overload minus here.
Yes.
Right, but you can still do plus here.
Okay.
You can just play around it. Even though you minus it, the internal operation will do plus.
Yes, I understood.
Yeah. And these are the operator can be overloaded. Sorry, that cannot be overloaded.
That cannot. Yeah, I remember this. I just like had a little confusion with the implementation only.
Yes, right.
The theory I remember.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah. And this is how it works. The main syntax is confusing this one actually. This part is confusing one.
Yeah. But so here I got a little confused with the data since it's been 1 week. I forgot.
Yes, correct. So the operator overloading one you have to practice this daily to remember the syntax.
Yeah, I'll do that. Actually, I'm a little busy.
Yeah.
So this week I'll take care.
Yeah, sure. Try to overload this one operator.
Yeah. You have gave the 3. This side, like right, left shift and right shift.
Yeah. This is very hard to load.
Yes.
Even I don't know. I don't remember the syntax till now. Yeah, so try to overload this.
Yeah, I'll try those three.
Yeah, because you can overload a cout. Actually, cout is the operator overloading kind of thing, you know. This is the overloading actually, the cout. It's doing
Okay.
something actually. So
Okay.
how do you printing in the screen, right? The data,
Yes, yes.
how it is coming to screen. Cout is an OSTM object, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So you can do something like this. Cout, and you can print obj5. This will give error, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I can't print the class itself.
Yeah.
So what I mean by this is I want to print a data. So try to cout with class.
Okay, sure.
You will get an error, the same error. Then find
I'll
out
check
that you
that.
have to overload this. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Anything else?
No, that's all from my side.
Okay. So we end here, and once our peoples are back, we start with a new one.
Yeah, sure.
All right. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks for joining. Balmik, I think today we should end with this since the people should be aware of the previous one and today's class. Then we move to a new topic. Balmik, you there? I think you are speaking in mute if you are speaking.
I think if we end also, the recording will be saved, I guess.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks, Mukesh. Thanks for joining. See you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Thanks. Bye.